Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to learn about escape sequence characters in Python. So let's get started. First, let's create our Python file. Let's take an example first. Let's say a equal to, so this. Now let's print it. Now we have a string and a variable. In this a variable we have this string. Okay, now let's say we want to make this in 2 lines. For that, let's say this, we want to print this string in 2 lines. If we just simply enter and expect to show the enter in our output, this won't work. Let's see what happens. There you go, we have this error message. As you already know, we can't print multiline strings in a double quote or single quote. For that we use triple quote, but there's some special ways in which we can write multiline strings in double quote or single quote. Let's see how. So first, let me tell you what is a escape sequence character. So this is the symbol of escape sequence character. After this backslash, if we write anything, let's say n, this is a escape sequence character. Okay, now let's write it in our string. Now let's say I want to make this in our second line. So what can we do? We can use this escape sequence character. This creates a new line. Let's see. There you go, Murtuza is a good boy. There's a space because we have this space here. Let's delete it. Now there you go, Murtuza is a good boy. You see? So this slash n escape sequence character creates a new line. So let's make note. Okay, now let's say I want to make this good inside a quotation. Let's say double quotation. What can we do? If we simply just give this good a double quotation, this will show us error, because Python will be confused if this quotation means our string is finishing or not. So let's see what happens. There you go, we have this invalid syntax error. So if we want to write actual quotation inside this quotation, we can use escape sequence character. For that, let's use this and this. So this is a escape sequence character. Now if we print this, there you go, we have this quotation in our output. Like this, we can also print single quote. We can simply just use single quote here, because Python won't be confused here, because we are using this double quote for our string and then we are using this single quote. But as you know, we can use single quote in our string. Now what? This will show us error. Let's just find out what. There you go, we have this syntax error again. For that, we can use escape sequence again. Now if we print this, there will be no error. Okay, so point number 2 is slash double quote Now let's say I want to print this actual slash in our string. What will happen now? This will give us a error. There you go, invalid escape sequence, because this slash character means we are going to use escape sequence character, but there's nothing. after this. So to write a actual slash, we need to first use this escape sequence sign, then we are going to use this. Now this is a escape sequence character. Now if we print this, there you go, there's no error, and also after this Murtuja there's a slash. Okay, so we can say point 4 is, there are more escape sequence characters in Python, but you don't have to remember them. Simply just go to ChatGPT and ask for the most used escape sequence characters in Python, and let's say I want to print a new line inside a string. What will be the escape sequence character for this? And we can get the answer from there easily. So you don't have to remember all of them. Just remember these 4 and you should be fine. So that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.